Choosing between the Wacom One and the XP Pen Artist Pro can be tricky, as both are excellent drawing tablets catering to digital artists. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Wacom One, display quality. Features a 13.3-inch Full HD screen with natural colors, perfect for beginners and intermediate artists. Pen technology. The battery-free pen offers 4096 pressure levels for precise control. Software compatibility. Works seamlessly with most creative software like Photoshop and Clip Studio Paint. Build and design. Compact and lightweight, making it portable for on-the-go creativity. Price. A solid choice for those who value Wacom's trusted quality at an affordable price point. XP Pen Artist Pro, display quality. Boasts a vibrant 16-inch or higher 2K QHD screen, depending on the model, with superior color accuracy for professional work. Comes with 8,192 pressure levels and tilt sensitivity for more advanced drawing techniques. Customizable features. Includes programmable buttons and a control wheel for enhanced workflow efficiency. Software compatibility. Fully compatible with major software and supports dual monitor setups. Price. Offers professional-grade features at a competitive price. Which should you choose? Choose the Wacom One if you're new to digital art or need a dependable, straightforward tablet for casual projects. Opt for the XP Pen Artist Pro if you're a seasoned artist seeking advanced features, a larger screen, and better color accuracy for professional use. Both tablets deliver excellent performance, but your choice will depend on your artistic needs and budget.